2024 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid First Test, giving the people what they want. Pros: more passenger space, responsive engine, 580 plus miles of range. Cons: meh design, steering is vague, brakes need refinement. You don't really see automakers take mulligans with their vehicles, but that's what the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander feels like, and now it's grander, too. You see, the regular Toyota Highlander arrived with a third row that was basically designed for children only and not very usable for adults. Does the Grand Highlander fix the issue? Yes, it absolutely does. It's more spacious, is designed more thoughtfully around families, and as a result, plays better in the traditional three-row SUV segment. The Toyota Grand Highlander is available with three different engines: a 2.4-liter turbo, a 2.5-liter hybrid, and the powerful Hybrid Max. Editor Zach Gale already did an excellent job reviewing the Toyota Grand Highlander Turbo, so you can head over there to read up about the interior and new technology it offers. In this review, we're going to focus on the base hybrid powertrain and its performance. The punch. The Grand Highlander Hybrid gets the same powertrain found in the regular Highlander Hybrid, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine mated to two electric motors that together produce 245 HP. A CVT transmission sends that power to all four wheels, and it does a pretty good job delivering it smoothly. We've been fans of Toyota's hybrid products as of late, and the Grand Highlander is no exception. Despite the larger body, the 2.5-liter does a decent job getting it up to freeway speeds thanks to the electric motor's instant torque. On our own tests, it took 7.5 seconds to get to 60 miles per hour, which is modest given this is a big family SUV. However, this time bests the 2020 Toyota non-Grand Highlander Hybrid's 8.4 seconds to 60. What's more, the hybrid delivers great fuel economy for an SUV its size. With 36/32/34 mpg in city/highway/combined, the Grand Highlander Hybrid could be a fantastic vehicle for families looking to make fewer stops at the gas station. And thanks to its big gas tank, it can travel 585 miles on a single tank, great for road trips. Driving on freeways and city streets, we enjoyed the Grand Highlander Hybrid because of how quiet the cabin is. Toyota did a nice job adding acoustic glass and other sound-deadening materials to prevent wind and tire noise from coming into the cabin. Chances are not many will be driving the Grand Highlander on canyon roads, but if it happens, we felt lots of body roll from this hybrid compared to the more powerful Hybrid Max. This isn't something owners will likely notice, but it's good to keep in mind if you navigate through twisty roads often. Where it needs to improve. Our biggest complaint had to do with the brakes. We've had mixed opinions on Toyota's hybrid vehicles when it comes to brakes. While the Venza and Sienna have decent stopping power, the Grand Highlander Hybrid needs some work. We had to press hard to get any bite out of it, and in more than one occasion, we crossed the intersection marks because the Grand Highlander didn't stop as quickly as we expected. Another thing that needs to improve is the steering. It's quite soft and doesn't deliver a lot of feedback. Many of our editors complained about the vague feeling, whether it was in normal or any other driving mode. The winning formula. While the regular Highlander needed more space, the Grand Highlander feels competitive in the three-row SUV segment. The third row is easy to get in and out of, and it's spacious even for adults. The USB port placement in the second and third rows is also better than in the regular Highlander and other SUVs in the segment. And Toyota's new infotainment system is better than those in the Honda Pilot and Subaru Ascent, two other popular crossovers in the segment. Grand Highlanders come in three trims going from XLE, Limited, to Platinum. Our Grand Highlander XLE AWD test car came with a $49,015 price tag, which is not bad considering it's a three-row hybrid SUV with all-wheel drive. The more powerful and top-of-the-line Hybrid Max engine can get expensive quickly, but our XLE Hybrid came well equipped for the price. 18-inch wheels, 3-zone automatic climate control, and Toyota's suite of safety features are included in the trim, the only optional extra was the panoramic roof for $1,350. The 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid hits on all the things buyers want out of a competent family hauler. True, it's slightly down on power from the Hybrid Max version, but in return you get good fuel economy wrapped up in something with more usable space for cargo and the entire family. It means you can take those road trips and spend less time at gas stations. 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid XLE AWD specifications. Base price $47,665. Price as tested $49,015. Vehicle layout: front engine / motors, AWD, 8-pass, 4-door SUV. Engine 2.5L direct injected DOHC 16 valve I4 plus 2 permanent magnet electric motors. Power, SAE net, 187 HP at 6000 RPM, gas, 245 HP, comb. Torque, SAE net, 177 lb-ft at 4300 RPM, gas, NA, comb. Transmission cont variable auto. Curb weight, F/RDIST, 4,644 pounds, 52/48%. Wheelbase 116.1 in. Length x width x height 201.4 x 78.3 x 70.1 in. 0 to 60 miles per hour 7.5 sec. Quarter mile 15.7 sec at 88.8 miles per hour. Braking, 60 to 0 miles per hour 128 feet. Lateral acceleration 0.77 grams, average. MT figure 8 28.6 sec at 0.58 grams, average. EPA city/highway/comb fuel econ 36/32/34 mpg. EPA range, comb 585 miles.